as the shards of the dry ice hit that dirt, it explodes it. So you're basically freezing the grime on the surface and exploding it with a dry ice shard, almost like a sharp piece of glass hitting it. Consider it an ice missile. Hi, I'm Sam Abrigo. I'm the Service and Parts Director here at Westlake Porsche. I want to give you an update on our Porsche Challenge Project. The dry ice blasting removes contaminants and coatings such as surface rust, dirt, and paint with a high velocity stream of dry ice pellets. As you go from a really super hard surface that's really coated in grime and 42 years of dirt and road muck, and it looks brand new and feels brand new. Dry ice is much like sandblasting, except it sublimates, meaning there's no waste. It's gone. All you're cleaning up is the dirt and the grime that you just took off the surface. A lot of things moving on this car right now in the background. We'll keep you updated as we go. Follow us on social media. I can't wait to show you the next steps of this car.